That's really tasty. Nice and soft, squishy. Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Is It Done Yet with me, Shelley.
And me, Jackie.
And today we'll be making a delicious malt loaf from scratch.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
And that way you won't miss any of our future baking adventures. So let's get going. Alright Jackie, so what do we need to make this amazing malt loaf then?
Right, the ingredients we need are 200 grams of Bran Flakes, a mug of black tea, 200 grams of self-raising flour, 200 grams of light brown sugar, 200 grams of mixed fruit, 1 tablespoon of black treacle and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 egg beaten.
Okay, so first of all we're going to pour boiling water over this tea bag and steep it for 20 minutes. There we go. So we've preheated our oven to 180 and our tea's been steeping for 20 minutes, so it's now time to soak our Bran Flakes. We'll pop them in a bowl. Pour the tea over and we'll give that a stir. So there we are, so we'll set them aside while we get on with the rest of our cake.
Now we're just going to add the rest of our ingredients to the bowl. 1 teaspoon of your baking powder. Give our sieve. And your sugar. Dried fruit. Your egg. And the top tip. 1 tablespoon treacle, or if you put your spoon in hot water, that will make it come out a lot easier. There we go. I'll give that all a good mix, and then we're going to add our Bran Flakes.
So now our Bran Flakes are ready and we'll add them to the rest of our ingredients. There we go, and we'll give that a stir.
So we've got our mixture in our prepared lined baking tin. This is a 2-pound loaf tin. We're going to pop it in the oven now for approximately 50 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean.
Right, so that's our cake done. Just take it out of the oven. There we go, so we'll leave it now to sit in the tin for about 15 minutes to cool down.
Right, that's our cake's had time to cool. We're going to cut a piece off now.
So of course the best way to serve malt loaf is slightly warm with some butter on top. Absolutely delicious. Serve that with a nice cup of tea. Perfect.
Right, Shell, let's give it a try.
This looks lovely, Jack.
That's really tasty.
Nice and soft, squishy.
Yeah. Give it a try, it's absolutely beautiful.
And we'll see you next time on Is It Done Yet? Bye.
Bye.
Right, start again. Right, when it goes quiet for a minute, it means we're ready.